Hi, welcome to Level Talk. Come on in, I'm Russ. As usual, we've got Sai doing his magic behind the camera. Today we're talking about Demon Shine, the spray-on shine. Easiest one on the market to use, we think. Spray on, wipe it with a microfiber cloth and you're done. You get about 10 washes for your whole car using this thing. Let's get into it. Okay, as you saw, that did a decent job, didn't require much effort. However, there's a few things you should be aware of. It says there's 10 full shines in this bottle. It lasts a lot longer than that. When you pull the trigger, you only need to pull it gently and put a small amount on your car. That's good enough. However, if your car requires a bit more tender loving care to bring it up to spec, you need to use something like Autogleam's high resin polish to get it to where you want. We've got a video on that coming out soon. If this has been of use to you today, give us a thumbs up. Have a great day.